Okurugira bigeze bishwire aha Kasese Municipality aba department y'ebyobwegyese abeegi abashutamire ebigezo by'ekyamushanju 2025 n'ibishatu 188 municipality kandi ahari abo 193 bakiije mu grade y'okubanza kandi 185 bije mu grade ya kabiri 28 bije mu grade ya kashatu 47 bije mu grade ya kana kandi 21 batungire grade kandi 14 abahandikisibwe tabarizire gukora bigezo kandi ekikiretire Kasese Municipality yabe yakana umwihanga ryona Kamaiba Primary School niye bembire umashomero ga government mu Kasese Municipality kandi abeje 192 abashitamire bigeza ishomereri 133 bakize no mu grade yo kubanza ikiretire ishomero ryabarimo amashomero agakozere ryo mu cyangeki Urukwebembera ishomero Mr. Masereka Benon Dan echachitira abo bashomesa kufayo munonga kandi bakarebeka ngo bashomesa bejo mbwire utiraho n'inkwatanusa nunji hamwe n'abazire
performance ye tubitingayo kwa bendo benene ekiri imbere tubitingayo okwa basomesya abatsweretswere abali committed tunawete eskuru yetu yuto muisa eribe niyo yuti abasomesi abanene omwa Kasese Municipal Council
ubunajango bakozere kurunji obwahatisha merikine bizubu ebirukwetago buyambe bwa government omwaka oguza kutandika nagira ngo muri yebi nibetaga bizimbe nebirukosi bo mukushoma kandi okushanga beje nibingi kandi classes ninche
ukasangana etukinawete esya class nyike esyatukalemereramu abana neri wasangana eklasi nguma imwe abiri byangamwa mabi abana banene kusangwa hatya nga ekikumi 92 tobye tukabasomeseri mu klasi 3 neri wasangana abana babiri bya ngasanju neri abana sanju ne banene mu klasi sure tukeritimba ukaenda ukahambo kwa bole mwana
kandi bo abakatiri primary school erumwa amashomera gakozire kubi Owebina beji 16 abashitamire PRO kandi binjabo bakizira mu grade ya kana Umwembezi w'ishomero Miss Businge Mary Provia nagira ngo bine bizubinjo mu ishomero muri ebyo harimo kushanga bakakinga Kirembe Mines aho ishomereri ryabende bisubwa hahabwa abantu ubwo najya ngo kukinga Kirembe Mines kiresireho bworo umbantu utiyo nabana kucendera ahabwa abazire kubura sente kandi kiretira abana bakora kubi
Primary school once was a very good school on the map, but I came to realize when for the years I'm there I've established that it was on the map because of Kirembe Mines. The people who were hard working in the school and the people who were supporting the school and the parents who were supporting the school were the people who were in Kirembe Mines as workers. So when the workers went, the people who remained in Kirembe near Katiri stay there as a slum area.
Arugamba kwa bana bakozero municipality Mr. Muhendo Tobia or senior inspector of schools abo Kasese Municipality angirango habire hempinduka kandi buri mu gucurukwataho aine kuteka mamani ubwo nagirango municipal education department nimenda koragana n'abazire school management committee hamwe n'abantu bona okurebuka ngo bayamba beji okushoma kurunji.
A call on the political leaders to step up sensitization and mobilization of parents on their roles, as well as encouraging them to buy scholastic materials, as well as pay the mandatory fees as stipulated in the 1997 UPE guidelines.
Ero hano hanga sabiri businga ba stakeholders tulangire tute curriculum ya biri tukomwe senior na tutukatsuka ya HES. So ababuti tukebale tono board Kasese muliye itwabusi tusome na langira truti twamamenyerera next year bakiba biruhulucha education act impyak therefore tunomwitekenizira education yetsukiro ma secondary ikaya yano ma primary na ritweba butibe primary tubitu ne well prepared
bazire bayereka masikongo haba henkwatanusa nunji abazire abashomesa gavumenti n'abembezi b'ebyanga babasakora kurungi ompiro erukwija omu Kasese Municipality amakuru agagasha kwa Mate Isaac. bwa Tayari West omu Kasese.